Hello, this is Eve from Alchemy for the Skin. It's been a long time since I've been on the channel. Um, I have a Wizarding Trunk box. I think, I don't know what box this is, if it's the quarterly or, I think it might be the quarterly, not sure. Maybe the bi-monthly, I don't remember. But you can go to thewizardingtrunk.com and you can order the next box. This box is called the Order. I'm going to go in order of I'm going to try to go in order of what is here. So it's a pretty big box. I'm going to check out these two things. The first thing we have this box. Nettlewick's Enchanted Crockery. This is here we have a saucer. Cat. The Woman We All Love to Hate. And there is the cup and saucer. And this says cup and saucer, a magical cup and saucer from Nettlewick's Enchanted Crockery are enchanted to so the scenes stir up upon the surface. Cup and saucer designed by a Wizardry Workshop and packaging by Magical Born Sisters. Okay, that's our first item. Put it back in here until I decide what to do with it. And keep it safe. Next, we have this box, Noble and Ancient. Here we have Kindle Elf. It's an elf plaque. And it is the elf plaque adorns the walls and headquarters, representing the servants who served the family over the years. Well made, by the way. Well made, well packaged. Everything is well packaged. Man, you could do a whole room with this stuff. Okay, let's see what we got here. I have to do this bag here. Okay, this is Death Mask. The mask. It appears to you fought in the battle and were able to unmask one of the dark followers. You can keep this as a reminder of the battle fought. Pretty cool, huh? Pretty cool. And we have this pink thing. We have she must be like a voodoo doll. We have pins to thicken her. And this is Pink Witch Pincushion. I would use it as a voodoo doll. Pins. So these pins are tulips. Oh, they're taped. I was going to show you, but I can't get it undone. Anyway, there's the Pink Witch Pincushion. That's really cute. My dog would like it. Which is why you need to keep things away from her. So that is that. Put that over here. Now we have this. This is Unspeakable on it. Maybe a potion. It is. This is cognitive specimen. Ooh, what's inside? The preserved sentience duster is approved for study only in the Department of Magic. Do not open the lid, as the results could be catastrophic. Label and packaging by Wizardly Workshop, bottled by Pureblood Apothecary. So there's a potion for your potion shelf. Believe you get one every time. And next, Unlocking Magic. Ooh. This is a key, one of the keys. I think you can go on their website and maybe get other keys that you haven't gotten if you want to collect them. So this is number 12 key. It's official. You're now able to enter number 12. Let's just try not to bring any unwanted guests along with us. Designed by Dragonair Design. We need a key rack to hang our keys on. A few more things in here. We have this. Oh, it's a charm for your charm bracelet. And this one happens to be a phoenix charm. Probably can't see it very good. I can barely see it. My eyes suck. There it is. Phoenix charm. Pretty cool. The fifth exclusive charm in this series. Maybe the other ones are available on the website. What do we think the sixth charm will be? Depends on what the next box is. It's a pin. Looks like Rita Skeeter. It is Reporter Pin. Released and out of retirement for an exclusive interview. Designed by Lyra Illustrate. And we have this little purple bag. It's a collectible coin. Oh, it turns around. It's like a fidget coin. One side. And that's the other side. This side is the side that turns around. This is VA decoder coin. Simply line up the arrow on the spinner to the arrow in each day, and it will tell you the time and place for the meeting that day. Designed by Wizardly Workshop. Then we have one more item. Well, except for there's this. What do you think this is? Well, we're going to find out. Looks like a meat pounder. This is B&B ingredient muddler. Oh, it's like a pestle, mortar and pestle. The muddling stick, is perfect for bruising or smashing any of the ingredients for your brews and potions. Designed by Wizardly Workshop. Well, this I will definitely use. This is not displayed. It's going to be used for all my magical potions. Then we have a couple of inserts, replenishing potion recipe cards. Took me a minute. And on the back, instructions on brewing it. And we have this, which is a phoenix print. And that's him on some books. It looks like Dumbledore's office. It says this beautiful watercolor was painted for us by Giza Graphics. I want to get that sort of right. All right. That's it. There are 12 items in this box. Plus, this isn't the actual insert. This is a PDF version because there wasn't one in my box, so he sent me the PDF version so I could share the box with you. But there's a giveaway here and some other things, and that's what the insert would look like, but higher quality. And that's all we have for today. That's the order box from the Wizarding Trunk, and I will have another one. We're exchanging boxes. He got my bi-monthly boxes, and he's sending me these. So we're sharing. All right. Hope hope y'all have a good day. It's super hot here. It's almost too hot to breathe when you go outside, but it's nice inside. So you guys have a great day. See you next time.